What is up, y'all? It is week 10 of fall quarter, which means we're almost done with school, or I'm almost done with school. I planned a little like secret Santa sort of and like festive thing for the office. So we brought food. It's kind of like a mini potluck kind of thing. And we also have some gifts here that we're doing for the Secret Santa. And then I also made a thankful board up here, and it just has really derpy things. But yeah, I can't believe it's already week 10, and I can't believe it's already the start of a new vlog. Oh my gosh. I honestly didn't think that I would get this far in doing weekly senior year vlogs, but I think it was the mentality of switching it from having these like highly cinematic, very highly produced videos to just videos that I enjoy putting together and I enjoy watching. And what that meant is kind of not getting rid of, but like taking it down a notch of just like the cinematic production and just filming from my iPhone.
These days, it's not easy.
I will put mine behind my back, and then we'll do little revealsies on count 3. 3. This is so cute! Oh my gosh, haul. This is so cute, Jacqueline. Gosh! Jacqueline!
Isn't it beautiful?
Yes.
Isn't she beautiful?
Wow, Jacqueline, thank you. I really appreciate this. Okay, stop. You're gonna break your jacket even more.
First of all, hi. So guys, this is my review. It's not focusing. Today's ASMR, we're gonna be unwrapping. Oh, I got something in my lip. Unwrapping Kat's gift.
You just rip it open.
No, I learned not to do that. Oh my god. You already know it's lotion. I dropped it.
You know how I knew? So I was gonna gift it to you anyways, but
Whoa, ew, this looks gross.
oh my gosh, that's actually so cute. Oh.
And I didn't
Can you do a little like a little. Okay, Jacqueline, so this is how she wraps sustainably for sure. Let Didja help you, okay?
Okay.
It's Wednesday of week 10 and I'm feeling it. I have a midterm today, presentation tomorrow, then paper due on Friday. All things that I can do, I know I can do. I did this all my junior year. But factoring in that I have a major case of senioritis, this now seems impossible for me to do. So I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. It's easy. I can do it. Nick! Oh my gosh, he straight up just went to the grocery store.
No, seriously, yeah.
For his kids on his lunch break.
And marshmallows.
And it's not even a payday. That was so from the bottom of his heart. Aww. This is like some service.
She's a
You know,
queen.
we're not only marketers. We're people with big hearts.
Hey, why don't we get a POV shot right now, like of Ethan?
Oh yeah,
You gotta give POV.
Yeah, yeah, he was doing this for us. He was backwards walking and everything.
Watch out.
Wow. I'm so lactose intolerant. I was like, what? Yay, company meeting! Woohoo! Somebody just mass airdrop this. This is it. Alrighty. I'm gonna be making some coffee cake for my supervisors or like my bosses at work, because, well, this is like my last year working for the SRC because I obviously graduate this year. So I wanted to do something really nice and like very memorable for my last year at the SRC. So this year I'm actually gonna get them Christmas gifts, or not really Christmas gifts, but I'm gonna do something like sweet for them. So I'm planning to bake them some coffee cake, and then I'm just gonna put it in like really nice decoration and really nice wrapping, and then I'm gonna give it to them tomorrow because that's technically a lot of our last day of work for this quarter. So I was gonna go and like be active and climb, but it's like raining outside and it's just like so gloomy, and it's just so like you just want to be indoors, like not doing outdoor activities. So that's still up in the air whether or not I go, but we'll see. But for now, I'm going to be making this coffee cake, so let's get this. Get this bread! I totally missed out on the perfect opportunity. Let's get this bread. This week feels like the longest week ever. Oh my gosh. I finished my paper tonight, and all I have left is a presentation tomorrow. And that presentation should be pretty easy. This is Late Night Catherine signing off now. Peace. I'm currently planking right now. I'm gonna try going for a minute. This is note to self to never go longer than 3 days without working out. I feel so disgusting right now. I feel so weak. Where are the gains? I'm breathing so heavy. Okay, so I have decided what the follow-up art to the Post-it battle art war is gonna be. You look like an upside down ice cream cone.
I'm Asian flavored.
Everyone's wearing pink. This is my pink.
Walking around on those, what do you call them? Doing your things you don't do for. Strolling around on those. What's the word again? Part of your world. You like to live out of this water.
Ernest and I made a Dutch baby.
Yep, I made it.
No, I made it.
We made it.
Okay, how can you hold it up for?
Forever.
Ah, that was 2 seconds. This looks so legit. Wait, let's get some of that scraping action.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it when it's cold.
I love
I'm doing the one arm jacket because wearing both arms indoors with a thick jacket is kind of gets a little sweaty. But I'm heading out right now because I have a meeting with Free Logic Media at 5:30. But before that, I need to run some errands. Here's the outfit. No one asked, but here we go. This puffer is from Everlane. This was like 4 seasons ago, I think. This cardigan is my mom's. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's vintage. These jeans were thrifted from, I want to say Goodwill. I got them for like $3 and I just like cut off the end. And then my boots are my trusty old Doc Martens. I always wear these. Honestly, like best shoe purchase I've ever made. Augie's is my favorite coffee shop ever in Riverside. It is, I can't even tell you how many papers I've written at Augie's and how much studying hours I put in at Augie's. What I like most about Augie's is the big windows. I like when there's like fresh sunlight pouring in. I feel like it just helps like me study. I don't know, it could just be all in my head. I'm really gonna miss this place when I graduate. In junior year, I used to spend every Saturday morning here. I'd spend like 4 hours every Saturday morning. Like, oh man, those were the days. Gosh, I don't really miss those days, but I do. I have a lot to thank for Augie's to help me complete all those papers and just providing me like a really dope area to study. Just finished my 8-page advertising paper. Woohoo! So that's due on Tuesday, so all I have to worry about now, or not worry about, you know, changing your mind frame, right? All I have to do now is my finance final on Thursday. I'm really glad that was the one thing on my agenda today, is to finish my advertising paper, and I did, so, I'm feeling very accomplished right now. So I'm gonna go to office hours tomorrow to kind of get that proofread. I'm gonna go office hours to get that proofread. Ironic that I just wrote a paper and I can't even think about grammar. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to office hours tomorrow to get that checked by my professor, just so I can make sure I didn't miss out on any details before I turn it in on Tuesday. So I'm going to Costco right now because my house did this cute little like Christmas card. So I'm going to go there to go pick them up right now, and then we can start distributing them this finals week. So hopefully it's like a fun little, nice little surprise to distribute during this week of testing. Okay, so I don't have envelopes big enough to fit these. It's kind of like an awkward size. It's not too big but not too small. So I have these envelopes that I found from other letters that I've been given. So I'm just gonna take, I don't have whiteout too, so I'm just gonna take some like, I don't even know where these came from. These are just like what you write your name on when you're like at meet and greet events. And I just like cut it, and I'm just gonna do a little cheeky little thing right here, and bada bing, bada boom. No, that just looks like a sad. What the heck is that, Catherine? Okay, you get the point. So I wrote the letter, and then I'm just gonna... Ooh, okay, how to do this with one hand. Okay, use elbow. Oh, perfect. Well, look at that. Would you look at that? Boom, done.